So guys, another Friday again. We have come here to see you all, guys. Today we have come with some super cool plan. Today we are going for one outing. Before lockdown begins, we have to go for some outing, right? And today we are going for some outing, but still we have to follow the social distancing, right? Yes. That's my father over there, so speaking something else. Okay, but today we are going for some special cool outing. We don't know where. It might be far, but it is special. Surprise for you guys. You all liked our previous video where we went for farmhouse. It was very good, right? Very good appointment. Thank you. And today we have come here with some special cool outing in this Friday. We will come back a little late, but still you all have to enjoy it. Smash that subscribe button, press that like video and put up notification bell, and we will see you there. So everyone, now our members are coming. Get ready.
Hi.
Now we have reached in some airport border, but it will still take long. Once when we reach there, it will be a surprise for you. Bye. 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 So guys, as you can see, in both the sides there are super cool date trees. Of course, greenish type of date trees. When it looks even very like super cool, and when you go outside you can even feel the fresh air, and not just that, the climate is also good. So guys, you all, as you can see, in both the sides there are nursery shops plus fresh plants also inside. Lot of different types of plants are there, like money plant, etc, and all. You can even buy from here these type of awesome cool plants. Like you can even buy like fertilizers, pesticides, protective items for the plants, like that type of things and all you can buy. But the thing is that we cannot go outside and show you guys, cause due to this COVID-19 pandemic, plus there is a lot of people here buying these type of plants, and we cannot even go outside cause we are children, of course, so we are not allowed to go outside. But still we are showing you guys these type of views. I guess you all will like it. And not just that, the people who are here in Muscat, if you want to buy these type of plants, you can come here in Alsip and buy this. You will get everything. That means even the protective things like fertilizers, pesticides and all you can get. So guys, Muscat families, come here, buy these beautiful plants, of course, these beautiful different types of plants, and decorated in your balconies. So guys, now you know we have reached the sea beach. You can see a lot of boats over there. These are the boats which uncles are going to be taking it for fishing. Of course, they will go far from to the sea. And we have reached here also in the beach, of course. So guys, now we have reached to the beach, of course. We were feeling very excited because we got out to the beach, of course, but the sad thing is that we cannot go outside because due to the rush and pandemic and all, we cannot go. So we just packed up and went back. So guys, now just middle, we just came here to the pet shop. Here actually when we go inside, a lot of pets will be seen over here. Birds, etc, etc. Not just that, even their food also are there actually, food. And their cage, of course. And when we go inside, here we are in the pet shop. We just came here to see all the pets now. You will see that birds, right? Parrots. Now birds. This is sea pet shop, of course. Parrots, lovebirds, lot. And their foods and all. A lot of different types of foods are there. Feeding. And some more. Guys, now we are in another pet shop. Of course, in this pet shop, actually, when we went, we saw a lot of beautiful and if we say boys type of pets are way better. But in this, the first thing which we saw here are actually the ducks. Of course, the white ducks on the top and the down, white and black rabbits. Of course, white and black rabbits, even their food is also there, and the top white rabbits too. Then here are the birds again. In the top layer birds, down layer every single layer, and the down only we saw the chicks, pretty cool chicks of course. And over there birds again, white cool pigeons, then black white rabbits. And inside if we see though a lot of beautiful parrots of course. Down we can see some more rabbits. Rabbits are actually a lot of course in this place. Brown type of caramel color rabbits of course. And here are mostly a lot of birds and rabbits. Some two grandma rabbits. And then white rabbits of cats. Yeah, this is the best thing ever. We saw cats and that means like birds of course. And here we see the chickens, hens of course, and eagles. These looks like eagles of course. And the downward here swan, over there birds. And here are the bigger swans, white fresh swans, and more. And here are more chicks, rabbits, hen and owl, and birds of course, lovebirds. There are a lot of lovebirds of course. And here pigeons, super cool pigeons are here we have. Parrots of course, and one over there.
Nail cutting.
They are cutting the nails of their parrots. And also here the same birds only, but some of them are still different. Down you can see big rabbits. Inside food, pet food, and more parrots, swans, chicken of course. Look here, peacock, the best peacock. Super two peacocks of course, and pigeons, and more, and not chicks. Mostly here birds are the more. And there is two duck. Here, oh my god, those two ducks over there, jumping like jumping jacks. They won. And chickens of course, hen. Down you can see more pigeons and more birds of course. Lot of birds are there of course. Cats. This is the cat section of course.